Education plays a significant and remedial role in balancing the socio-economic fabric of the country. Since citizens of India are its most valuable resource, our strong nation has been educatedly nurtured in the form of basic education to achieve a better quality of life. Amidst the pandemic, a complete transformation has been observed in our education system, and this digital shift has paved the way for fresh opportunities. Recently, the Union Education Minister has reviewed the digital education initiatives of the Ministry of Education. It is continuously ensured that the best quality content is accessible to all the learners in the country free of cost. And for this very purpose, a host of digital initiatives has taken place in the area of knowledge. Let's get to know more about this digital transformation in the education sector. To enable multi-mode access to education, a comprehensive initiative called PM eVidya has been commenced, which unifies all efforts related to digital, online and on-air education. During the pandemic, when attending schools in physical capacity has been restricted, the PM eVidya program has educated students through digital platforms so that the learning process of students doesn't suffer. Moreover, a special type of e-content has also been provided for visually and hearing impaired students through this platform. Under this program, Digital Infrastructure for Knowledge Sharing or Diksha has been established for school education available for all states and the centers for grades 1 to 12. It can be accessed through a web portal and a mobile application. Further, it also provides access to a large number of curriculums linked to e-content through several use cases and solutions such as QR-coded energized textbooks, courses for teachers and quizzes. It is the One Nation, One Digital platform for school education. In the Union Budget 2021 to 2022, the setting up of National Digital Educational Architecture has been announced within the context of a digital-first mindset. The initiative will not only support teaching and learning activities, but also educational planning and governance administrative activities of the center and the state. For ensuring a seamless digital learning experience, NDAR is being envisioned to be a digital infrastructure for education. It will be beneficial both for center and states in planning, administering and governing school education. Next in the line, we have Swayam or Study Webs of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. It is an integrated platform for offering online classes and covering schools from classes 9 to 12 to postgraduate level. Its online courses are being used not only by the students but also by the teachers and non-student learners in the form of lifelong learning. Swayam Prabha. It is an initiative to provide 32 high-quality educational channels through direct-to-home or DTH across the length and the breadth of the country on a 24/7 basis. It has curriculum-based course content covering diverse disciplines. It is primarily aimed at making quality learning resources accessible to remote areas where internet availability is still a challenge. Moreover, a national digital library has also been developed as a framework of a virtual repository of learning resources with a single window search facility. There are more than 3 crore digital resources available through the National Digital Library. The contents cover almost all major domains of education and all major levels of learners. Apart from this, Virtual Lab and eYantra have also been developed to strengthen the digital education system. Virtual Lab provides a fully interactive simulation environment to perform experiments, collect data, and answer questions to access the understanding of the knowledge acquired. Whereas eYantra enables effective education across engineering colleges in India on embedded systems and robotics. Not only this, but our digital initiatives also include Swayam Prabha TV channels, extensive use of radio, community radio, and podcast, National Repository of Open Educational Resources and e-textbooks. All these endeavors warrant an all-around development of the citizens. This new age education will leverage technology to be open, inclusive and accessible for all. Thanks for watching. We will be back with some more updates.